More power.
Yeah, but I don't want to crash it.
Don't worry. We can just fix it.
You sure?
Come on. You have to try at least, or else you'll never do it.
All right. Okay, you're right. This is much cooler than keeping it on the shelf.
Try Cobra.
Coming right up.
Yeah!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, no.
That was awesome!
That was pretty awesome. Man, buddy, I'm so sorry for crashing your plane. I don't know what happened.
Who cares? That was the coolest thing I have ever seen.
Ever? Really? I guess you are only like 2.
Nuh-uh. Wanna come help me put this thing back together?
Most definitely. Ooh, but I have to go see Dr. Alvarez first. But, yeah, maybe I'll blow him off. I don't feel like going up there anyway.
Why? Don't you like Dr. A?
He's okay, but he's always working me over with really hard questions I don't like to answer.
Well, I like him. And the suckers he gives out.
Oh, those suckers are clutch.
I think he's just trying to help all of us. Plus, he said I might be done coming here for a while.
You're leaving me? That's not fair. How come you get to go?
Probably because I answer all the questions he asks me.
Yeah.